Welcome back to Jack's Nona Tales YouTube channel. My name is Jax and I'm thrilled to have you join us again. In our last episode, we explored the solar system. If you haven't watched our second episode, make sure to click on the iCard to check it out. Today, let's take a closer look at our home planet, Earth, and its natural satellite, the Moon. Welcome to space exploration. Today we're going to talk about a very special place, Earth. It's our home, full of amazing features and life. Let's explore what makes Earth so unique and why it's such an incredible planet. Imagine a time about 4.5 billion years ago. There was a huge cloud of gas and dust in space. Slowly, this cloud started to come together, forming the planets in our solar system. Earth was born from this process, shaped by giant collisions and the force of gravity. In the beginning, Earth was a hot, rocky place with lots of volcanoes and meteor impacts. What makes Earth special? First, it's the only planet we know that has life. This is because it's just the right distance from the sun, allowing for liquid water, which is essential for life. Earth's atmosphere is full of oxygen and nitrogen, which we need to breathe. Plus, Earth has a magnetic field that protects us from harmful solar radiation. Life on Earth started in the oceans about 3.8 billion years ago with tiny, single-celled organisms. Over time, these simple forms of life evolved into more complex creatures, leading to the rich variety of plants and animals we see today. From the smallest bacteria to the largest whales, Earth's ecosystems are full of life. Earth's surface is always changing. This is because of tectonic plates, which are large pieces of the Earth's crust that move around on the layer below. These movements cause earthquakes, volcanoes, and the creation of mountains. This constant movement shapes the continents and oceans, creating different landscapes. The atmosphere is like a protective blanket around Earth. It's made mostly of nitrogen and oxygen and helps regulate our climate and weather. It keeps the planet warm enough for life. However, human activities are changing the atmosphere, leading to climate change and global warming. It's important to understand and address these changes to protect our planet. Earth is the third planet from the Sun, right in the habitable zone where conditions are perfect for life. It takes about 365 days for Earth to orbit the Sun once, which gives us our year. Being in this spot means Earth has the right temperatures and a stable environment for life to thrive. What will the future of Earth look like? As we explore space, we must also take care of our home. By conserving nature, using sustainable practices, and making scientific advancements, we can protect Earth. The choices we make today will shape the world for tomorrow. Long ago, about 4.5 billion years, something extraordinary happened. A giant object, about the size of Mars, crashed into the young Earth. The impact was so powerful that it sent huge amounts of debris into space. Over time, this debris came together to form the Moon. Imagine the sky filled with glowing dust and rocks slowly coming together to create the Moon we see today. Have you ever looked at the Moon through a telescope or binoculars? You'll see that its surface is full of craters, mountains, and flat plains called maria. These features were formed by ancient volcanic activity and impacts from asteroids and comets. The Moon has no atmosphere to protect it, so every impact leaves a mark that lasts forever. Why does the Moon look different every night? It's because of its phases. As the Moon orbits Earth, the Sun lights up different parts of it. Sometimes we see a full moon where the whole face is bright. Other times we see a new moon where the moon is almost invisible. And in between we see crescents, quarters, and gibbous phases. It's like a beautiful, ever-changing dance in the sky. Did you know the Moon affects the oceans on Earth? The Moon's gravity pulls on Earth, creating tides. When the Moon is directly overhead or on the opposite side of Earth, its gravitational pull causes the water to bulge out, creating high tides. When the Moon is at a right angle to Earth, we get low tides. This regular rise and fall of the ocean is vital for many marine creatures and coastal environments. Humans have always been curious about the Moon. In 1969, that curiosity led us to one of the greatest achievements in history. NASA's Apollo 11 mission successfully landed the first humans on the moon. Astronauts Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin took the first steps on the lunar surface, leaving footprints that are still there today. "One small step for man, one giant leap for mankind," said Armstrong as he stepped onto the moon. The moon has always played a big role in human culture. Ancient civilizations used the moon to create calendars and mark time. Many myths and legends feature the moon as a powerful symbol of mystery and magic. Even today, the moon continues to inspire art, music, and literature around the world. What's next for the moon? Scientists and space agencies have big plans. Missions are being prepared to explore more of the moon's surface, search for water, and even build bases for astronauts to live and work. The moon could be a stepping stone for further space exploration, like missions to Mars and beyond. We hope you enjoyed learning about our closest cosmic neighbor, the moon, and our own vibrant planet, Earth. Our exploration doesn't stop here. There's so much more to discover about Earth and its place in the cosmos, as well as our ongoing space exploration efforts. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay curious and keep exploring with us.